Okay, this review is on cooking the corn dog inside the air fryer. As you can see, it's not already cooked. It's a frozen corn dog. Little treat for the kid. And hopefully, once the corn dog is through, it tastes just like a corn dog from Sonic. And we're going to set our timer for about 15 minutes. And we're going to put the heat on about, let's say 300. Better yet, I'll drop that down to about 250. And set her for, like I said, about 15 minutes since it's frozen. And when the timer goes off, it's through, and I'll be back to show you results. And got about a minute or two left here. And we're done. Let's see what we have here. And it looks good. Don't want to touch it yet. It's pretty warm and hot in there. But other than that, it looks real good and nice and crispy and golden. Let me let it cool off for a second. Alright, it has cooled off. Yes, that's nice golden, nice color. Got a nice crisp to it. It tastes amazing, YouTube. It does cook corn dogs very good. And that's my review on the air fryer cooking the corn dog. If you like my video, don't forget to LCS. And LCS is like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.